वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू वीडियो। आई होप यू गाइस हैव वॉच्ड माय ओल्ड वीडियोस जो मैंने इतनी मेहनत शिद्दत और जुनून से बनाई है। इफ़ यू हैवंट वॉच्ड इट तो ज़रूर देखना, पर वेट, पहले ये वाली वीडियो देख लेना और अपना प्यार देना मत भूलना। किसे? मुझे भी और मेरी हर वीडियोस को। So let's talk about today's video, for which I'm very excited. Basically I'm DIYing. Wait, ऐसा भी कोई वर्ड होता है क्या? Anyways, मैंने एक ओल्ड DIY किया था and now again I'm doing a DIY with it. Yes, you wanna see what is it? Come with me. So let's start it. Actually, I have this board, wooden board, which we had for a very long time. और मैंने इस तरीके से उस पर कुछ एरोज टाइप कुछ नेल्स लगाए थे और ऐसा एरो का शेप दिया था एंड आई had tied some thread or like a wool on it, and look at this, I stick to it and मैंने इस तरीके से इस पे एक थ्रेड से डिज़ाइन किया था एंड आई हैंग्ड इट ऑन, बट रेदर देन आफ्टर दैट मुझे बहुत ही ख़राब लगा था। यस, सो आई जस्ट थ्रोड इट और ये बहुत दिनों से ऊपर पड़ा हुआ था एंड नाउ आई एम just removing the nails here and it is so satisfying. I love it. I know it is very hard. Few nails were so hard, but yeah, I did it. So these are the holes. Now I'm going to fill these holes with the POP. Yeah, I'm going to use POP to fill this hole. And yes, I'm here using POP, added water. Alright, and I'm going to fill them up, and after that when I fill them up, उसके बाद मैं उसे एक क्लोथ के हेल्प से उसका जो सरफेस पे जितना भी जो वेस्ट POP पड़ा हुआ है उसे मैं पोंछ दूंगी। आई एम गोना क्लीन इट ऑल सो दैट कि वुड पे कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो। ओके, आई थिंक वी शुड स्टार्ट नाउ। आई एम यूजिंग फेविक्रिल acrylic colors, which I'm very obsessed with them right now. Currently I'm very obsessed with them, and I'm using this blue color to fill this. I made a sketch. Actually, I made a sketch. I took this picture from Pinterest. I'm gonna paint it. Yeah. चुटकी में कंप्लीट मिक्सिंग रेड एंड येलो। Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home. Yes. Now I'm making branches. borders.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
Now the important part that I'm making borders.
Ocean blue, I came home for you. Cut my hair in the dress that you wear. Don't you leave, now it's my time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise.
These borders with the black color always puts a charm in the painting. Yeah, and I love this last procedure, which is to give a highlight to the art, which I actually learned from my favorite YouTube channel, which is of Design Palette. I love that. I love her paintings. I love her bate. So yes, I'm recently obsessed with it. And this is the slow-mo. This is the final painting. Actually, I converted this painting into a keychain holder or a mask holder or whatever you can hold on it, except the clothes. Okay, yeah. And this is how pretty it is looking, guys. Just look at this. Thank you so much for watching till end. Please do like, share, subscribe to my channel. See you.